Almost ready?
I am ready.
Hi shooters, we are at Alexandra at 300 yards. This is our first relay of the day. And Tyler Nichols is on the left, I'm in the middle, and Tyler Doyle is on the right. 3 shooters. Let me see something, looks right.
Oh, yeah. Just over here, man.
Oh crap, I know what I forgot. My spotting scope, but I don't need it today. Zero my win. All right, I'm ready. You ready,
Okay.
Tyler?
Yep. I'm gonna go.
Everybody ready?
Yep. I go first.
Go ahead, yep. That's a 5, third sighter.
Okay, thank you.
Which set of skeet are you trying for?
Geez, my zero must be around a full,
Oh, a full turn, eh?
around.
Yeah, you can tell.
Looks like
I'm watching you.
about 7 minutes, so it might be a full round, eh?
Yeah.
7 minute full round.
So here, I'll just,
I thought you were still zeroing.
yeah, I will. I thought you guys were ready, that's all. I'm gonna start on the bottom row, I'm gonna start from the left to right.
So the flags are down. I know you can't see it, it's not zoom in. So there's no wind today, it's all shooter today.
Someone needs to be watching the tablet. They need to be watching the tablet. Yeah, one guy can watch the tablet and one guy can watch the target. But you're only shooting at the one target at a time, so you know when you're shooting.
Nice shot, Chris.
Nice shot, Chris.
Thank you.
It's gonna take me a few rounds to get her settled in. I got a very clean barrel.
Oh, me too. But it's STR, so it don't matter.
Now you take that rear bag off.
I'm starting to think that the 155 is the perfect round for a 308.
I think it is.
It'll tune no matter what.
Yep. I think they shoot really, really well.
That's better.
Yeah, that's better, Todd. You got a great start. A 0 for a first sighter.
Yeah, I wasn't adjusting there at all. adjusting it all there. You're going to be out of ammo for the track. Well, I'll just do it after you guys so I'll watch the play. Bottom row. And I'm going to go from left to right. Okay? I expect nothing but break. Hit. Miss. Hit.
Nice shot.
Hit. Pretty well bang on.
I seen that. Take a look at the flag at 100.
Yeah.
Well, what's it?
Take a look at the flag at 100.
Oh. Just left it, eh?
Yeah.
Hit.
It's back down now.
Yeah. Just keep an eye on that.
Yeah.
My V-bull, it was up. I had to go out a bit.
Oh, I had lots of time. I rushed that last shot. Didn't matter. That's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 points? I got 6 points. And I had to reload. So that's the thing. You only have 10-shot mag, so if you had one miss, that means you're going to have to reload. Are you starting? No. That's fun. That is fun. The feet that you missed, I couldn't see where you missed, so. Well, you know what? I might have hit it. Because I saw a little black. I thought, well, it didn't fall apart. The first one you hit the top piece of it.
Great, my sling wasn't on.
That's where you sit. I didn't hear what you said, and I was like, did you say miss? I went back and I looked at it, stared at it. I thought, well, it might be a little black there, but I said, well, whatever. Alright, so I'll watch the targets again. Well, Mike didn't make it look too hard. It's not easy. You have
Nice
to do it.
shot.
Thanks, Matt.
You say when you're ready there, young fella. You're gonna go the road just above? Yeah, I'll go the road just above, that's fine. It's kind of fun because you got to go back and forth. You got to go back to the target. You're not always set on the target. Let me know when you're ready.
Struggling with eye relief for some reason. Zoom out a little maybe. Don't usually have that problem.
Yeah.
That's way better.
Nice Vivo.
Stand by.
A little breeze here.
Hit.
None down there though.
Pierce it. Looks like you may have hit it. It's hard hard still and you don't break them. Looks like maybe the bottom right corner.
Fuck.
Oh no. Mine went to the right too.
Yeah, that's a hit for sure. Yeah, go for the target. Kilo. You moved it, but you didn't break it. Got a hit or no? No.
Jesus. That felt like a good shot. Guess it wasn't.
Yeah, I know, right? Something weird with that one.
That one was bad. Mark says it's all you though.
There you go. Solid hit. I can't get over how just that punched the hole through. Your time's up. Miss. Miss. I think you're just missing by a punt here.
I'd say my rifle's settling in now.
What bullets are you shooting?
220X.
You got them cruising pretty well.
What's that?
Do you know what your muzzle velocity is on?
About 2670. Nice shot, Chris.
Thanks, man.
Even with us talking, you still shot a V-ball.
Don't bother me at all.
Okay, buddy.
Don't bother me at all, yeah. We're all good, brother.
Aim a little bit high left. Nope. I had a hard time believing that you hit it 5 times. No, I don't. It just seems weird that I'm hitting a V-bowl on that. Yeah, I know. That's what I was thinking. And your B's, like your 3 B's are like, I'm very happy that I'm steady. What's back here? You going back to play? Yeah, I'm gonna try one more here. Yeah, it's hard to tell. The first hit. I'm curious to go see down at 300 to see if you're holding it. The first one is just a hold. The first one, yeah. First and second one. The second one, the glare is confusing.
Nice.
Very nice shot.
Thanks, boys.
Yeah, I can't even see the hits in the first one. Yeah, I would have said I wish I would have had my other.
I'll have to zero good there.
No, that's it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's why I'm a little confused. I got a nice tight group. So either this target's not matching reality.
Oh, that's possible. That's possible. Because look, this is where your V works. You were hitting the clay over here. The first two.
Yeah, I'm wondering if the target's not matching reality.
Yeah, that could be it. For me, because I was hitting. I was going over here too. I was on.
Yes, sir.
In the 5 here.
The flag left that up, so I shouldn't go that way.
That was a weird one.
Want me
Very.
to clear that, or you good?
I'm just trying to figure out what the fuck's happening here. One more. There's a beat. So, okay, so when you say it's not matching reality, how do you adjust that?
I have to adjust the target. We'd have to shoot a group on the target and see where the group is on the target.
If I was to guess, it's showing the shots a little low. Because I was all low, but I'm looking at my hits on my planes. They're on the upper end. It's showing on the bottom end. So if anything, it's showing.
Yeah, my shot went that way too.
But it's still you're aiming dead center for the climb. That means you're gonna have to aim a little high on the plane.
Yeah, and the other thing is that's safe. It's not perfectly centered. So if you're aiming for that guy,
Yeah.
you might not be aiming for.
Flag's picking up some more.
Yes, it is.
Alright, so no bag. No, hang on. You got that.
I held that one.
Do you went the other way?
I held to the right though.
To the right? Okay, makes sense. Because
Tell me when you're ready, I'll start the timer.
the battery died unfortunately. But turn it back on. And there's the flag there.
That's a click.
Fuck, didn't feed.
Now it's Tyler's turn to shoot
That's a hit.
on the left. There's the flag. Get them all.
Nice finish, man. You nailed it.
Wish you didn't drop that 4. It was so fucking close to a 5 too.
Yeah, it sucks, man. So we're all done. We started with no wind, and now we had a couple switches later on, as you can see. Unfortunately, the camera turned off for a couple shots, but oh well. Alright guys, if you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching.